So every time you lay down with the person, you're not only taking on their spirits, but you're also taking on their DNA. Every time you had intercourse with someone, not your wife or your husband, your DNA was being genetically altered. This is part of genetic tampering. Now you have this DNA matrix because you're one human being that has all this shared mixed DNA, and it creates timeline entanglement. What do I mean by this? I talked to you all before about genetic coding and genetic markers, how, let's say, 100 years ago, your ancestors, they committed this sin or they went through this trauma. And based off that, they took on a genetic coding, which is now a genetic marker that changed the trajectory of that bloodline and what the future generations in that bloodline would be exposed to. If you have all this different shared DNA with different people, every DNA coding that's embedded into you allows a certain demonic system to detect you based off of that DNA coding. So now there are systems of demons that attach to each genetic coding that is living within you. So you have all these different demons. Now, every demonic system that is attached to your life, it wants to produce a certain outcome.